So hi, my name is Maximilian Gages. I come from Bakersfield, and I came out here to UNLV for their entertainment engineering program. What piqued my interest was when I was in high school, I always wanted to do some type of entertainment field. I was thinking about going to like UC Santa Cruz to do game design or something like that, but I guess I wanted to do something a little bit more engineering based and a lot less competition, because in California, game design and video design and everything, they're all big in Hollywood, and that's huge competition. So I heard about this program called Entertainment Engineering at UNLV, and it was it dealt with a lot of cirque shows and a lot of theater and entertainment. And being from California, we don't have that exposure like they do in New York or Broadway. So, and it was definitely a lot more affordable for me to come to Vegas than to go to like UCLA or UC San Diego. So I made the jump to come out here to Vegas to try out this new EED program, and yeah, that's where I am at right now. It was a great experience. I got more information with the degree, learning that it's more of a hands-on approach of things versus the typical, here's a book, study it, and then, go work it, do your hands-on approach out in the field. This was a real hands-on approach from the get-go. Currently, right now, I am working for Cirque du Soleil, the Beatles' Love Show at the Mirage. This program helped me get into that realm by basically exposing me to the theater department. I've never done theater in my life, never in high school, so that definitely really helped me out. Basically, the degree made me a super overqualified technician. They gave me the abilities and skill sets and then some to really excel at what I do, at what they typically only require at the show. So that's what really helped me out. In order to really thrive in this program, you have to really have time management is the best way I can break it down, and to basically not be shy. In the entertainment realm, as we all know, it's all about who you know. Okay, you can be the smartest person in the entertainment industry, but if you can't talk to people, it's very hard to get a job in there. So don't be shy, be very good with your time management, because you'll be stuck doing a show, and at the same time you'll also be studying for your school, because you need to put in the time to go practice for a show, and you have to have the time to be able to study and get good grades. So time management and don't be shy are the two recommended things I give you for entertainment engineering. When you take your training and you just go straight, for example, as a stagehand, you learn on the job, but there's some downfall to that, because that's your reputation going out there. So if you're a new person, you're going to be forever labeled as that new person in the job, and if you don't know all the technical verbiage that they use out there or how to set up things, it's going to really impact you hard, and obviously the pay is going to also reflect that. Coming to the university, you have the freedom to go ahead and experiment and try anything you want. Like I said, if you were to stagehand and they tell you to set this thing up, why? Why do you set up this way? If the university setting, we can experiment and try that, and we can make mistakes, and we can learn not to do that again. So the staff here really allows us to do that, and they have the experience to show that too. So Joe Aldridge, he's been doing this stuff for 30 years, and he's a great example of bringing his knowledge to the university. So, yeah. While I was going for my entertainment engineering degree, I definitely got more involved with my theater at school, and I got involved with a lot of musical productions, because my interest has always been in audio. So getting involved with a lot of the musicals here really taught me like how mics are, and how they work, how RF frequencies are, and even how a big mixing console works. I had never had the opportunity before in high school or even in a job setting when I used to work as a stagehand. They would not allow you to touch the console, let alone program. You just set it up and that's it. But here at the school, you can really play around with it and experiment, and basically break it if you want, just to see how it works. And that is something they don't teach you out in the job field.